Hello friends, you know what time it is. It's Cafecito time. So make sure you stick around, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you love coffee, you need to subscribe. Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are returning, thanks for coming back. Thanks for joining us for our Cafecito time. As you know, I like to make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. Speaking of coffee adventures, I was in Vegas a couple weeks ago, and I made 2 Cafecito adventure videos of some coffee shops and coffee places in Las Vegas on my way to Vegas. There's one from the middle of the desert. There's one from downtown Las Vegas. So please go watch them. I know most people like my Nespresso videos, but show them some love. Show me some Cafecito love on those videos, okay? So today I'm going to show you guys, well, not show you, but I'm going to taste a new Master Origins coffee. This has been out for about a month now. I've been, like I said, I was out of town, so I didn't have a lot of time to make videos, but today I'm bringing you all the coffees that I did in my haul video and showed you all the new coffees that Nespresso has released. And this one is the Master Origin Papua New Guinea. It's a full-size 7.77 ounce coffee. So I'm excited for a new full cup of coffee. I've just been drinking the same ones. I haven't found a new favorite one. This one is, I don't know if it's a limited edition. I don't know if it's part of the permanent collection, but I do know it's a little more expensive. So I'm thinking it might be a limited edition. So yeah, let's get into it and see what Papua New Guinea coffee is all about. And do you guys like my new shirt? I saw this shirt and I had to buy it. Coffee, s'mores, and campfires. Not really a camper, but you guys know I love coffee. I love s'mores. So I might have to go camping and try and make some coffee while I'm camping. I've done that. Let me know if you are a camper and how you make your coffee when you go camping. I'd be really interested to know, because if I'm going to go camping, I'm going to need my coffee. Okay, let's get into it. Here's the box. Pretty little design there. I think this is a new style too of the boxes. There's the color, so I'm thinking this might be the color of the capsules. So yeah, okay. Well, let's read about it before I open it up. It says this one is, like I said, a 7.77 ounces of coffee. It is on the lighter side. It's intensity 4. Washed Arabica. Berries is, I guess, the notes. Distinguished quality. This Grand Cru is Q certified, which I have no idea what that means. So if you know, let me know. I'm going to look it up. It's Q certified, a classification distinguishing it as a specialty graded coffee. One that demonstrates superior quality from farm to roastery. Okay, so maybe that's why this is more expensive. Now I'm going to tell you how much it costs when I open it. Papua New Guinea isn't short on classic varieties such as Arusha, Typica, and Bourbon. These gems from the past make an elegant cup, fine acidity with jammy strawberry notes. Ooh, jammy strawberry notes. That's a new one. Let's see. To bring out these unique flavors, our supplier lets the pulped coffee rest for 2 days before washing and drying it in the high mountain sun. Ooh, interesting. Let's start all over. One of Nespresso's sustainability achievements is ensuring that at least 80% of the capsule's aluminum is from a recycled source. Okay, so let's open it up. Like I said, that's what it looks like. Ooh, okay, there's the capsule. It's the name on it, and it has, you know, in the back, all the information. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so silver Papua New Guinea. Let's give it a taste. So I'm going to brew this. Ooh, I only need them for reading. I'm going to brew this, try it, just black, plain, and then we'll add a little creamer and see how it goes. Okay. Cup, capsule. Then leave me a comment below if you have a Vertuo machine, if you have an original machine, or you have both, because I notice I get a little bit more views and feedback from Vertuo capsule videos than I do from original. As you know, I have both machines, but I'm thinking more of you have the Vertuo, so just let me know. Leave me a comment below, just for funsies, just so I know what's going on with you beautiful people out there. Ooh. It smells good, actually. I think I'm getting a little bit of berry notes. So this is a full cup of coffee. Oh, and I forgot. I forgot to tell you guys, this one is $20. So $2 a capsule, $20. So that's the reason I'm thinking it's a limited edition. But I'll put all the information here and below as well in the description. So it's always good to read the description because I have all the information there and links and all that fun stuff. Okay, let's give it a taste. Papua New Guinea. Okay, it is on the lighter side. I don't know if you could see. It doesn't look as dark. Smells really good, actually. I really, really like the way it smells. It has... Actually, I'm starting to get like the little fruitiness, like I don't know if it's strawberry, but I do get a hint of fruity notes. Okay, let's mix it up. If you have already tried this and bought it, let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you liked it or not. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is good. This is very, very smooth. Very smooth, but it is light. So if you are a light coffee drinker and you like lighter coffee, I think you're going to like this one. Smooth, light. It's pretty good, actually. I think this is one I could drink with no creamer, no milk, just black if I had to, but you know, I don't have to. Let's add some creamer to it. And you guys, I found this. I don't know if you guys have heard about this. If you are a fan of Trader Joe's, on the Nespresso group and on social media, Facebook, Instagram, people have been raving about this. I finally was able to go to Trader Joe's and I found the non-dairy oat creamer brown sugar flavor. So if you're a fan of Trader Joe's, go get one of these. Go try it. We're kind of starting to, Mr. Cafecito and I, we're kind of starting to try and transition from drinking a lot of dairy, you know, because some people have issues with it. Let's try it with them. Actually, let me measure because I don't want to put too much in it and mess up the flavor. So 1, 2. That's really, mmm, that's really, really good. Just another little splash. So it's not super sweet, but it does have like that little brown sugary flavor to it. Papua New Guinea, really good. I know some people might be like, I'm not paying $20 for a box of coffee, but I think this is something you don't drink every day. This is a type of coffee that you drink when you just want to sit and you have time to just savor the coffee, enjoy this coffee, because it's expensive and you really want to enjoy the flavor. It's like it's mellow, it's mild, it's a little bit light, but I don't think it lacks flavor, because I know some people think that light coffees are like, watered down coffee. This is not watered down. It's just lighter, mellow, more like calm, more soothing. You just want to sit there on the weekend reading your book, magazine, watching your favorite YouTube videos. Yeah, you just get one of these, sip slowly, enjoy it. It's good. Am I going to be buying more boxes of this? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be buying more boxes, because like I said, the price is a little more than the other ones, but I think overall it's a good coffee. Like I said, very smooth, very mellow. It's a coffee that you're just gonna sit and chill. Cafecito and chill. That sounds like it would be good on a t-shirt. What do you guys think? I think we're starting to need cafecito t-shirts. I like other people's t-shirts, but we'll see what we do about that. But anyways, you guys, let me know what you think of this coffee. If you tried it, Papua New Guinea, Master Origins. Did you buy it? Did you try it? Did you love it? Let me know. And as always, don't forget to show us some love. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I make videos every Wednesday, every Sunday. I've started doing 2 videos a week now. They go up by 10 a.m. as long as we don't have any technical issues or problems. So come and join our Cafecito loving family and subscribe. And as always, hope you guys are having a fabulous Cafecito time, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, you guys should try this creamer. Really, 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 really good. It's only like $2, I think. So let me know. Let me know which is your favorite, the coffee or the creamer. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.